Welcome to the Arzopa tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to complete the gift data transfer by scanning a QR code to bind the device. First, open the Arzopa app on your mobile phone. Click Add New Frame to prepare a gift for someone. Here, you can enter the name of the gift recipient, the receiving region, the occasion and time of giving the gift. Add the message you want to say to them and photos to create a greeting card. You can also pre-upload some photos and greeting cards so that they can see them as soon as they turn on the frame. If they don't go online frequently, you can preset the Wi-Fi for them in advance. Thus, the frame will automatically connect to the Wi-Fi after it is powered on. After that, turn on the digital photo frame and use your mobile phone to scan the QR code on the frame to complete the gift configuration. After they receive the gift, all they need to do is turn on the frame to see the wonderful surprise you've carefully prepared for them.